Hi, I'm Damien and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Before starting, don't forget to click on that bell to subscribe to my guitar YouTube channel. Thank you. I also have a Patreon, so if you want to get the tab or the guitar profile for this lesson, please subscribe to my Patreon. It's not very expensive, and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. First exercise, we're going to start on string 5, working with some triplets here. So here we go. That was fun. Let's have a look at exercise 2. So remember, I'm using a hard pick. If you try to play that with a floppy pick, you're not going to have the same speed or dexterity there. Exercise 2, I'm going to be playing on what we call the galloping rhythm. I know it's not a strict alternate picking here, but it's excellent for warming up for your alternate picking. So here. So that's really good for warming up your right hand. And remember, you have also that William Tell guitar thing that you could play with the horseback riding there. So practice it slowly. Of course, with the metronome it would be better to practice. Here during the lesson, we're going to do a little bit freely. Let's move on to exercise 3. Exercise 3 here, so I could use, for example, the bridge pickup for that. Use whatever sound you want to be comfortable for playing your alternate picking. So here, this could be a little riff eventually for that. So. That's a cool one here. You can mute the strings if you want or not. You'll have a better effect if you're muting them. Let's move on to exercise 4 now. So we're going on string 5 and starting with the pointer on one string. So it's a movement by 4. I can play fast, as you can hear. Practice it slowly, and then you can start speeding up, working on your endurance, holding the speed. Number 5 now. This time we're starting with the pinky. We always think we have to start with using with this finger here, but have you ever thought about starting with other fingers? There you go. Now let's go on exercise 6. Exercise 6, I'm going to start with the middle finger. We have exercise 7. So exercise 7, we're going to be starting with the third finger. Now, let's move on to exercise 8. That one there, watch out, is a little bit tricky, but it's a fun one to work on. We're working on 2 strings, starting on fret 11. Let's have a look at exercise 9. Exercise 9, we're going to be playing on 3 strings. So it's a little bit of a scale here. We're starting on fret 10. Practice it slowly, and then you can start speeding up. You can also repeat many, many times on the same string until you make it up. See, like this. Let's move on to exercise 10. This one here is almost what they call neoclassical, but the neoclassical word we will see in another lesson is not quite exact. It will be more neo-baroque style. So here we're starting on fret 10. And you can speed up like that. So I invite you to, of course, subscribe to my guitar lesson channel. I also have a Patreon, so it's Damien Roy Guitar Music Lessons. I will post down the link there. You can subscribe. You can have the guitar profile, so you can play the exercise and practice it at home with the speed that you want. Also have the PDF tablature for that.